What's up guys, Blake here and welcome back to the channel. So today, Dad is going to be doing another video on how to make something, and that's going to be Blueberry Delight. Since you like the galette or the skillet bread a lot, getting some good views on that and some good responses. So what we're going to do, we're going to switch the camera up right now, and we're going to show you exactly how to make that stuff. He's going to walk you through it, and so you can enjoy it for yourself. So stay tuned, let's get it switched around.
Hello everybody, back here. The first thing we're gonna make is Blueberry Delight. But the first thing we gotta have for the ingredients is the blueberries, which we got here. We bought them at our local Walmart. We got 1 pound of them, fresh blueberries. And the second thing we're gonna need, we had to have some Cool Whip. That's 8 ounces, 1 tub of Cool Whip, and then 2 cans of condensed milk we're gonna need to mix up. We didn't have 3 lemons, so we got lemon juice, and I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And then the last thing we're gonna use is the graham crackers to finish it up with, to start it with. You know, and but before we get started, the very first thing we have to do is rinse these blueberries. So at this time, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse them. Okay, we're gonna rinse the blueberries off. Push them up real good. Shake them around a little bit. Before them blueberries are fresh, look at them. They're beautiful. Ain't they? They're pretty. So, now we got that. Now we're gonna go ahead and line our pan here with graham crackers, and when we get through with that, and we'll mix our stuff in our bowl that we're going to pour over the top of our graham crackers that's going to have blueberries in it. Now we got our dish lined with the graham crackers, so now we're going to go ahead and mix everything up in the bowl. Okay, these we're going to save flavor later, put on the top. Now here's our bowl. Take our bowl. First thing we're going to do is put the Cool Whip in. So we're going to open our Cool Whip up. And put our Cool Whip in. And get all of it. Then the next step, 2 cans condensed milk. I always like condensed milk.
Yeah, and condensed milk, I think if you heat it up on the stove, right, doesn't it turn into caramel? Mm-hmm. So if you ever want to make caramel, just get your can of condensed milk and you can warm it up that way. So
yeah, that was nice.
That's all right. We'll get it later.
Drop that on the floor. This is real cooking. Real thing. All that out of there.
Nice light in the background there.
There's another can.
Alright, so this calls for 2 cans of condensed milk, right? Mm-hmm. And as far as the brand goes, in any of these items, you can use whatever's the cheapest for you or whatever you like best.
We just happen to have Eagle brand.
Yeah, that's right. So it doesn't have to necessarily be any of these items. It's just basically anything that you want to use.
So now we'll put our lemon juice in here.
Alright, and how much we're going to use of this?
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons.
We don't have 3 lemons, so we substitute 2 tablespoons of lemon juice.
Okay.
So, done. Now, let's go get the blueberries. The blueberries are drained. Now we're going to put them in our bowl. Add them to our bowl. We're not going to add all these though. We're going to keep some for the top. What we're going to do. Probably about a cup. Let's see if I got it right here. Well, I figured that'll do. About a cup on the top. The rest of them going in the bowl. So And that's what we got. Now we can just fold this in and get it all stirred up and mixed in. And we'll mix it up well and chill. Okay, everybody, we're gonna go ahead and add it into our dish. We're gonna just let it roll right into there. Look at that boy, ain't that pretty? And blueberries in there, we gotta get them all so this stuff right here is like liquid. Yum yum right here. I like this stuff. Now, top it off with these blueberries. Let's cook.
So it looks like we're really going to end up using pretty much almost the whole entire pound of these blueberries inside this dish.
This whole dish, we're going to use it all.
So once you get your pound of blueberries, that's exactly going to be how many you're going to need for this particular dessert here.
And that's all of them.
Okay.
1 pound.
So 1 pound of blueberries.
Now we got it ready. Now we just got to refrigerate. All right, now it's been about an hour. It's been an hour since we had it in the refrigerator. Now let's take it out and see what it looks like and get us something.
So we went ahead and got it out of the refrigerator here, and we're gonna go ahead and got us some. Dad served him up some. He served me up some as well. Now we did say for an hour to let this sit, but honestly, probably at least 2 hours, maybe 3. 3 might be at the max point. But 1 hour, it works. It's not super cold, but it's still probably gonna taste pretty good. So we're actually gonna go ahead and give this a shot and see how it tastes. So remember, this is just your condensed milk, blueberries, all that good stuff, got graham crackers. Good. And also like a hot day or something for like maybe summer or something like that. This would be a nice refreshing treat to have if you let it have in your refrigerator for at least probably 2 hours, because this here is kind of cold. But not exactly cold I like it, so probably 2 to 3 hours would be best for this.
The graham crackers are good.
Well, they are pretty good. This isn't bad at all. It's nice. It's pretty creamy. It is on the sweet end, of course, but it's going to be like that when you have condensed milk in there.
The blueberries are good too.
Yep, blueberries are really well. It's fantastic. So, feel free to go ahead and make this. Enjoy it for yourself and your family. And for the video, thank y'all for watching. We really appreciate it. You can leave a like, dislike, share, comment, and subscribe for me. And we'll keep the videos up for y'all. Hope you enjoyed. Thank y'all for watching.